Okay, I'll quickly finish this up. Then you saw that, so I have used this radio button to get the exact field. I'm getting this ED equal 3, and here I'm getting ED equal 2, here ED equal 2. Anyway, I'm getting the field to be edited. Now I'm going to edit one field at a time. So one has asked why this rest is used, because I just want to make available this rest. I just want to make this available for this field. මේ රෙස් කියන එක මෙතනටත් අදාළ හින්දා මම ඒක මේ වරහන් ඇතුලේ නැතුව එළියම ඩික්ලෙයාර් කරා, because I'm going to use that rest here. That's why I have referred this here. Okay, so let's finish this. And the update, now you know this is my update query. I'm going to copy the query. I'm going to copy the query and come to my update file. And this is my update file. In this update file, what I can do this is I'll get the ED. First, I'll get the ED, $_cost, ED. Okay, then so this ED, based on this ED only, I'm going to get the name. $FN equal, that is FN plus this $ED. I'm going to paste this query here. Then $LN equal LN plus this ED. I'm going to check whether I'm getting FN2 or FN3. Then 3 out, මට FN3 ඕන. නෙතුලගේ record එක. 2 out, මට ඕන සිත්මිගේ record එක. FN2 එක. ඒක තමයි මෙතනින් හදාගන්න. So then I'm going to get that value. Let's say $FN value equal $_cost. So I can give the FN. The FN1, the FN2, the key maker. And here also I can get LN. So let's print this before doing this. Let's print this. I'm going to echo $FNV and space $LNV. This is LNV. Okay, let's check whether we are getting the correct record. I'm going to go for that. This is right. This is my code. Let's edit Sitmi Amanda as Sitmi Umanda. Edit. Okay, still I'm getting this one. Sorry, I didn't save this. Sorry. I don't need this one. This is my record. I'm going to check. Get this. Gets empty. Empty again. It's not getting the value. Check by again printing this array. Save. FNV, LNV. Just echo $FN just to check whether we are getting the right value. Refresh, edit, nothing, 0. Edit this, 2, yes. Edit this, 3. Yes, I'm getting the value. 2 or 3, I'm getting that value. That's good. But only thing is I'm not getting these concatenators here. I have a dot. That is my mistake. Now let's see. Comment this. Save. Go back. Let's edit record. Nethulis record. Nethulis Senanayaka. Okay, I can see F entry. Nethulis Senanayaka is edited. Let's edit Sitmi Umanda. Sitmi Umanda. This record. You can see F2 Sitmi Umanda is edited. Okay, now it's edited. Only thing is I have to write just that to database now. Okay, that is not hard. If you get the correct one edited, right? No need of this one. You got the correct value edited now. Okay, this edited value you have to update the $query, $q equal update TBL student set ln equal set ln equal this lnv ln equal dot lnv and comma you have to update both. If you are updating both here, I'm going to update sitme as sitme. So I'm going to add so yes, let's edit both and see how it's going to happen. දෙකම edit කරලා බලමු අපි එන්නේ විදිය. So seems let's connect to the database. Go to table students, edit, Nethuli, let's say Nethuli, Nethli, Nethu, Senanayak, KE. Okay. So when it is editing both, you can see Fn equal Nethu, Ln equal Senanayak. Using a comma, it will edit both. Let's copy the same and come to this and write this here. The query is equal to, sorry, the query is equal to update table students set Fn equal, you have to get the Fn value, $FNV, and Ln equal, you have to get the LNV. Fn equal Ln, Ln equal LNV. Where student ID equal, you have to get ED here. Then you have to write the query. So now you finish this. So then what you have to do, you have to go back and here, let me save this. I need database connection again to do this. I'm going to copy the database connection. This is my database connection. Let me copy this and go to the update one, edit, and this is my database connection. $connection, MySQL connect to the, this is my connection I have already connected. Now I can execute $result equal MySQLi underscore query $connection and this $q. If $result, you can tell echo thank you, data updated. So only thing that you need to know in this A level is, only thing that you need to know in A level is this one, this part. How to write updation query, that's all. How to connect database, how to write updation query, but not to do this as a system. System එකක් විදියට මේක අර ෆයිල් එකෙන් මේ ෆයිල් එකට එන එකේ ඔය වැඩක්. So if you know how to update, then that's enough. How to write an updating query. So that is the question it's going to ask in A levels, not other things. But I have done this as a proper system. So let's check whether we are getting the results. If you are lucky, so let's go to this one. Nethu Senanayaka, I'm going to update as Nethu Lee Senanayaka. I'm going to edit this and edit. Oh, this comes when you get an error, right? So let's remove these angle quotations. Update table students fn equal fnv and ln equal lnv where stid equal this one and this semicolon is required. Save, that is the error. Again, if you are lucky, edit. Yes, Nethule Senanayaka, thank you, data updated. I have to check whether my database is really updated. So it was Nethu Senanayaka previously. And let me browse again. Now it is Nethule Senanayaka, seems updated. So let me try again with my code. Sidmi Amanda, I'm going to update this as Aruni Ekanayaka. Edit this one and edit. Aruni Ekanayaka, thank you, data updated. Go this and refresh or reload. You can see Aruni Ekanayaka. Okay, you can update the email even. Right, this is a challenge. I know that this is a challenge. You have to do this, right? So it doesn't matter if you cannot do this, don't worry, you will not lose marks in the exam. Make a කරේ නැහැ කියලා exam එකේ marks එහෙම නැති වෙන්නේ නැහැ. හැබැයි මේක කරගන්න පුළුවන් නම් that is an added advantage in the exam. Not just in the exam, that is an added advantage in your life. You know how to interconnect the technologies. Okay, this is the code, simple enough. And I'll make available both codes and I'll send both codes to your WhatsApp. Then thank you very much. Sorry for taking more time. Okay.
Thank you, sir.